Hello, Mike here, in my basement, and I'm actually trying to design and plan out a little bit of a backing to my dartboard. So my dartboard is going to be hung here on the wall. We're in the middle of finish in the basement. You see that's right where the bullseye is going to be. And we decided to go with this white kind of canvas look and then add decorations to make it look nicer. So what I was thinking about doing was building a big box around the dartboard. And I came across these kind of reclaimed boards from my in-laws' house. I decided this would be perfect to put here. So my plan is to make a big square here and put the dartboard on there. The plan, what I'm thinking, this is sort of what I drew out. So you'd have a header on the top that's a 2 5s and then 3.5 inches width on the sides, and then kind of like a herringbone or an angled design in the middle there. So that's what we're kind of going with. So I just wanted to walk through setting it up. So I put my bottom piece on first, and then I'll put the sides up, and then we'll put the header in, and then we're going to fill it in. And I actually laid it out on a table first and cut most of the pieces. So you can see them here. They're sort of just roughly put together. But basically all it is a 45-degree angle here and a 45-degree angle there. It's the same on this side, and on this side it's opposite 45 and 45. The only reason why I say it's opposite is because these are only painted on one side. So, all right, I'm just using my chop saw here. So this is pretty straightforward. And using my finishing nailer. First step is getting this outside frame in and square and plumb and level. So it's level across the top. So these are plumb. The inside corners are 90 degrees. I check those with a square and a level. Okay, if you do this, take a little extra time to do your outside framing. Everything else will kind of come together a little bit easier. Okay, now we're gonna start filling it in. Okay, learn from my mistake. So what I did was I actually dry built this on my table over here. But as you can see, there were some miscalculations here. So some of my pieces are actually too short. This is not as planned, but this is no big deal. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill in this whole thing, and then I'm gonna run one piece down the middle, hold it on there, scribe on each side. So scribe on this side, scribe on that side. And then I'm gonna take every one down and cut it. And then reinstall this piece, and then install every one of those pieces up to the new piece. So, live and learn. All right, so this is the final product. So I hung a dartboard on there. Like I said, I had to call that audible because I didn't cut these well enough. I also found halfway through, this is reclaimed wood, that some of these pieces were not the same exact. They were about 1/8 of an inch off. The lighter wood, for some reason, is smaller than the darker wood. So, and I didn't catch that until I was about halfway through this. So that caused a little bit of issue, but no big deal. I put them all in and had them rough meeting here. And then what I did is I took this piece of wood and I just held it on there level and scribed each side, ran a knife down each side, not a pen or not a marker, a knife, so that you have a nice crisp line. And then I pulled all these down, cut them all in the saw, reinstalled everything, tacked it in with finish nails, about 2-inch finish nails. I tried to hit a stud where I could. So these are the finish nails. Now the beauty of the reclaimed wood is there's already holes in it, so I don't have to really worry about filling any of these holes in, but this is the way it turned out. So I love it. We're gonna do this design in a couple other areas in the basement. So if you like this, and if you build this, please comment below, please subscribe to the video, please like the video, and I have a lot more videos on things like this, so please look at the other content on the channel. Thank you, bye-bye.